Welcome to my in-depth review of Liberty Tax Online. In this video, I'm taking you step by step through the entire platform, starting from signing up all the way to filing your taxes. Liberty Tax Online is a widely recognized tax preparation tool, and my goal here is to provide you with a complete overview of its features, usability, and overall effectiveness. We'll begin with the sign-up process. Once you land on their homepage, you're greeted by a clean and straightforward interface. Registering an account is quick, requiring only basic information like your name, email, and a secure password. After verifying your email, you can dive into the tax preparation process. The dashboard is intuitively designed to guide users through each stage of filing taxes. Liberty Tax Online offers multiple options to suit varying needs. Whether you're filing a simple return, itemizing deductions, or managing small business taxes, each step is clearly outlined, and the platform provides helpful tips to minimize errors and maximize your deductions. One standout feature is its easy-to-use import tools. You can upload W-2s or previous tax returns directly, saving time and reducing the chance of manual entry mistakes. Liberty Tax Online also supports various IRS forms, making it a versatile choice for individuals and businesses alike. If you're unsure about certain deductions or credits, Liberty Tax Online provides built-in educational resources. The platform also offers live customer support and access to tax professionals for an additional fee, ensuring you get the help you need when you need it. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another noteworthy aspect is its pricing structure. Liberty Tax Online provides different pricing tiers depending on the complexity of your tax situation. While not the cheapest option on the market, it offers good value for those who need comprehensive support. Additionally, there's a money-back guarantee if you're unsatisfied with your filing experience. The filing process itself is seamless. Liberty Tax Online checks for errors and provides a detailed summary before submission. Once everything is finalized, you can electronically file with the IRS and your state. They also provide email confirmation to reassure you that your submission was successful. Security is a priority with Liberty Tax Online, which employs robust encryption to protect sensitive data. This ensures your personal and financial information is safe throughout the filing process. Overall, Liberty Tax Online is a reliable and user-friendly option for preparing and filing your taxes. It's best suited for individuals and businesses looking for a balance of convenience, support, and features. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and guides. See you in the next video.